Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to claim property tax refunds. First, you need to understand the eligibility requirements for different refund programs available in your area. Gathering all necessary documents, such as your property tax bills and proof of income, is a crucial initial step. Identifying common reasons for overpayment, like assessment errors or new exemptions, will help you navigate the process effectively. This guide will walk you through each stage. Eligibility for property tax refunds often depends on factors like age, income, or veteran status. Many states provide specific programs for seniors, individuals with disabilities, or low-income families. Homestead exemptions, for instance, can reduce your home's assessed value by several $1,000s, directly lowering your tax burden. Understanding these specific refund types is key to maximizing your potential savings. The application process begins by obtaining the correct forms from your local tax assessor's office or their website. It is vital to complete every section accurately, providing precise financial details and supporting documentation. Pay close attention to deadlines. Most applications are due by a specific date, often in the spring or early summer. Missing this window could delay your refund for an entire year. After submitting your application, expect a review period that can last anywhere from a few weeks to several months. If approved, you will typically receive your refund as a check in the mail or as a credit applied to your next property tax bill. If your claim is denied, you usually have a window of 30 to 60 days to file an appeal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.